everyone, good morning, Kian here. Pag-usapan natin is changes. Most of us is very afraid to face the changes that happenings in our life because when when we eventually doing something as systematically in our life, as years go by, na paulit-ulit nangyayari yung mga bagay na yun, nakakasanayan ng katawan natin at nagiging system ng katawan natin. So kapag we encounter changes, hirap tayo, takot tayo. Kasi lagi nasa isip natin changes, mag-exert tayo ng effort, gagawa tayo ng something new. But guys, we have to accept changes sa buhay natin. Kasi kung hindi, mapag-iiwanan tayo. Because changes is constant. It's constant happening in the life of each one of us. Mahirap man tayo, mayaman, matalino ka man, o hindi. Kung ano man status ng buhay mo, it doesn't matter. All of us experience changes. And some of us, it's hard to accept changes. Why? Because they are afraid to step out of their comfort zones. So guys, be resilient, be flexible. Whatever happens to you, any changes, you have to acknowledge it and appreciate it and accept it sa life mo na everything changes. Tao man yan, bagay man yan, situation man yan, there's no constant sa buhay natin. There is a continuous changes and we have to accept it kasi pag hindi tayo nakasabay, napag-iiwanan tayo. And please be mindful that changes is not wrong. Changes is the chance for us, the opportunity for us to be more skillful, to be more flexible sa buhay natin. And sometimes it's hard to accept changes, but we have to face the changes because it might help us to be in the positions that we wanna be. And di ba may mga goal tayo, may mga dreams tayo, minsan ginagamit ni God yung changes na yun for us to be in the right place. For us, kasi pag nasa tamang place ka, you will be the right person. So, para maging right person tayo, we have to be in the right place. So, changes is not wrong. Changes is a good thing. Let's take it positivity na changes happens for a reason. Yes, it's not easy, it's hard, but we have to accept that changes is designed for us. And you want to become successful, to get your goals, you have to accept changes in your life with all your heart. Thank you everyone, and God bless.